Good day, everyone. I want to share something that I struggled with for a long time, speaking in front of other people. Ever since, I always felt nervous when I had to recite in class or report in front of my classmates. Even now, I still feel that same nervousness whenever I stand in front of a crowd. My hands get cold, my heart beats fast, and sometimes I even forget what I'm supposed to say. I think one of the biggest reasons I feel this way is because of being judged. I always worry about making mistakes. What if I say something wrong? What if people laugh at me? What if my voice shakes and they notice how nervous I am? These thoughts make me overthink everything. And because of that, I sometimes hold back from speaking at all. But over time, I realized something. Being afraid won't help me grow. If I always let my fear control me, I will never improve. So, even though it's difficult, I try to push myself little by little. I remind myself that it's okay to make mistakes because that's how we learn. Instead of focusing on what could go wrong, I try to focus on just experiencing my thoughts as best I can. I won't say that I've completely overcome this fear, because I haven't. But I know that every time I step up and try, I'm taking a small step forward or towards improvement. And that's what really matters. To anyone who feels the same way, I want to tell you this. It's okay to be scared, it's okay to feel nervous, but don't let that stop you. Keep going, keep trying, and trust that you will get better over time. One day, you'll look back and realize how far you've come. Thank you.